Okay, a question that's been asked so much is, what do I do if AI is here to replace me? Oh my gosh. Okay, so AI is here, and can it replace jobs? Absolutely. I think it will replace some jobs. But should you be in fear? No, I don't think you should be in fear at all. This is what you should do. Prepare. Prepare for the future. Don't see it coming and not prepare for it. First thing I think you should do is learn some tech and some trade things, especially if you're in the tech and trade field. There are going to be so many new jobs. There are going to be new jobs, new things that are on the horizon. There has to be AI engineers. There has to be people who know how to fix these computers and to fix things. There's going to have to be AI translators, okay? People that are going to have to help the computer and these things that are outputting. They're going to have to be people that be able to help output this information. So I think that there's technology and learning how to fix and engineering and those kind of things are going to be very important to the future. Also, there's things on the horizon, new plants, new industrial things coming. At least I'm in America, coming to America. If that's the case, then I think you should understand how you can get into maybe those kind of areas. How do you work with your hands? What can you do? So I think learning new trades, learning what it takes to run AI and get behind that and know what it is you need to do. Then there's some things that I think that are going to be here to stay. Certain jobs, I think they're going to be here, that people are going to need. I don't know if I want an AI robot coming to fix my plumbing, and maybe it could, but I probably will have an old school plumber to come fix my plumbing, my sink, and that kind of thing. Okay, so there's certain jobs I think that might be here and be around, or certain companies or businesses that you can run and have, and they're going to last. Also, the other thing is, I think that it's a great time to dive into what you love. That there may be something that you love, a skill set that you love, or something that you can teach, a business that you can start, that AI won't have control over that particular industry. For instance, teaching a course, teaching a lesson, teaching workshops, or teaching people how to do something. I think that's going to always be around. Yes, you can learn from AI how to do this, how to do that, how to do that. But there's some things I want human interaction with. I want someone personally to help me and show me how to get things done, how to, run my business. I don't want just to spit out from AI and give me a business formula plan that you haven't worked yourself. I want somebody who's been tried and true, who has done it, who has gotten the sales, who has interacted with people to be able to help me. So anyway, I think that you should just prepare for the future. Don't be in fear of the future. Embrace what's coming. And make sure that you just up your skill set. If you feel that your job is in jeopardy, and you start sensing things at work that they're shutting down, they're letting go of people, they replace them. I know, we used to go into Walmart, there used to be like 15 cashiers. Now they're down to like maybe 2 cashiers, and then you got a whole bunch of self-checkouts, So when you start seeing those things happening, then start thinking about your next move. And I want to say this, that I believe there's always income for people, and you have to believe there's income for yourself. You have to say that and believe it and speak it out loud. There's income for me. There's a field for me. There's a way for me to make money. Show me how. Say it. Show me how, so that you can get answers and then move on them. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this one, you're going to love the other ones. I'm telling you, they're exciting. Also, click the link below and check out my free offer. I have something really exciting I want to get to you.